I wanted to share with you about this awesome tool that I've been able to use with my non-digital community. Look how beautiful it is. What I like, in one brochure, we have the 5 key benefits for each of the signature drinks. Look at that. And then we have the non-GMO, soy-free, all of those different indicators there so they can see it at a glance. And then we have a list of each of these products and how it helps support the imbalances in our body for each drink. Just absolutely love this. And then on the back, it talks about how we need the energy for these organs. And it explains in a very wonderful graphic how to use it. So it's amazing. I'd encourage you to get some. Use them.